Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by going into Clock app and selecting Alarm section at the top left corner. Now, before adding new alarm, hit this gear at the top right one and manage all of those options under alarm, like snooze duration. When you're done, go back and click on this plus icon right next to the gear one to create new alarm. Firstly, set up an hour. Then click on repeat and click on the best option for you. Only ring once, Monday to Friday, every day, or custom. I will go with custom, so when I click, I can pick days of the week manually and save them by hitting OK. Now select ringtone section. Tap on Enable in the pop-up and tap on Music on Storage at the top to pick any song from your device and set it up. Just click on it and save it thanks to this check mark at the top right corner. You can also select the ringtone section next to Music one and pick one of those sounds. Now click on the blue switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for a new alarm and click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and select OK. Now tap on this check mark at the top right corner to save your new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it, and then turn it back on by hitting the same, now gray one. If you wish to edit your alarm, click on it, make your changes, and tap on the same check mark. Lastly, to get rid of it completely, tap on it, select Delete Alarm at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!